Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about 8 foods that can help boost your heart health. A healthy heart is essential for maintaining good overall health, and one of the most effective ways to support heart health is through a well-balanced diet. So let's dive in and find out which foods should be on your heart healthy meal plan. 1. Fatty fish. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and trout are known to lower the risk of heart disease. Omega-3 South help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease the likelihood of blood clots, contributing to a healthier cardiovascular system. 2. Berries. Berries, including blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. These components work together to reduce blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and decrease inflammation, all of which contribute to better heart health. 3. Oats. Oats are a great source of beta-glucans, a type of soluble fiber that helps lower cholesterol levels. By eating oats into your diet, you can support heart health and regulate blood sugar levels, making it an excellent choice for a heart-healthy breakfast. 4. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. Including a handful of nuts or seeds in your daily diet can help lower bad cholesterol LDL, promote a healthy lipid profile, and reduce the risk of heart disease. 5. Leafy greens. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are linked to lower blood pressure, reduced arterial stiffness, and a decreased risk of heart disease. 6. Avocado. Avocado is a nutrient-dense fruit that provides pronounced fats, which are heart-healthy fats. These fats help lower bad cholesterol levels, while increasing good cholesterol. Avocados also contain potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure. 7. Garlic. Garlic has been associated with various cardiovascular benefits, including lowering blood pressure and reducing cholesterol levels. Its sulfur compounds contribute to heart health by promoting blood vessel relaxation and preventing platelet aggregation. 8. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, in moderation, can be a delicious way to support heart health. Rich in flavonoids, dark chocolate has been linked to improved blood flow, reduced blood pressure, and a lower risk of heart disease. Choose chocolate with a high cocoa content for maximum benefits. Adding these heart-boosting foods into your diet is a proactive step toward maintaining cardiovascular health. Remember to maintain a balanced and varied diet, along with regular physical activity, to optimize overall well-being and reduce the risk of heart-related issues. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions.